Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Today I want to present about case study about welding. So we from group 5. Our member is 1 Hijaz Aiman, 2 Haikal Firdaus, 3 Haziq Nazhan, and 4 Nazarul Azeem Haikal. First of all, introduction. Metal inert gas MIG welding and metal active gas MAG welding, process number 131 and 135 respectively in accordance with ISO 4063 are both variations of the gas metal arc welding GMAW process, which they are more commonly referred to as in USA and some other countries. This use heat freed from an electric at between a consumable metal electrode and a workpiece, creating a weld pool and fusing them together, forming a joint. The arc and weld pool is protected from the environment and contaminants by a shielding gas. Tungsten inert gas TIG welding, also known as gas tungsten arc welding GTAW, is an arc welding process that produces the weld with a non-consumable tungsten electrode. Tungsten inert gas TIG welding became an overnight success in the 1940s for joining magnesium and aluminium. TIG has played a major role in the acceptance of aluminium for high quality welding and structural applications.
Method of welding MIG. First, the ground clamp is square and it can be attached to any metal surface that can provide an adequate ground. Next, open cylinder hand wheel, ensuring that your hand is around the wheel and not above it. This is in case there is deficit and the components are released under high pressure. Next, gently turn the adjusting screw clockwise until the needle on the gauge reaches 10 to 15 cfh. Turn on the welder using the switch. Adjust fire speed and volt to appropriate value. Ensure the welding torch has appropriate amount of wire. Start the welding the workpiece. After done working, close the gas cylinder and turn off the welder. Method of welding TIG. First, choose the electrode and grind it. Insert the electrode into its collect. Unscrew the back of the electrode holder and insert the rod. Replace back. Choose the setting and turn on the gas. Prepare metal on working table. One last check and start weld.
Welding equipment: right angle grinder for grinding, beveling and flattening welds, as well as for surface preparation, metal clamp or magnet square. To skewer joint, chipping hammer and wire brush. For cleaning up slag and sputter, welding plier to trim welding wire and remove sputter from the welding gun nozzle. Auto darkening helmet for face shield, while weld a welding torch, welding wire and gas. Shielding gas. The four most common shielding gas used in MIG and TIG welding are carbon dioxide, argon, oxygen, hydrogen and helium. The primary purpose of shielding gas is to prevent exposure of the molten weld pool to oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen contained in the air atmosphere. The reaction of this element with the weld pool can create a variant of problem, including porosity, hole within the weld bed, and excessive sputter. Different shielding gases also play an important role in determining weld penetration profile, arc stability, mechanical properties of the finished weld, the transfer process used, and more.
So I want to talk about electrode. Electrode is a metal inert gas MIG process with consumable electrode, which is usually in the form of a copper coated coil wire. Argon is used to shield the weld and direct current with electrode being positive to generate more heat for melting. Gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, also known as tungsten inert gas TIG welding, is an arc welding process that uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the weld. The electrode used in GTAW is made of tungsten or a tungsten alloy because tungsten has the highest melting temperature among pure metals at 3422 Celsius. The next topic, I want to talk about advantage and disadvantage MIG and TIG. MIG is unlike TIG. It has got a faster speed and one can complete the welding job easily. This in return will increase the efficiency of the welding work. It also very easy to learn and operate the MIG welder compared to TIG. And also it's quite easy to produce good looking welds with this welding machine without much effort. And one more thing is the quality of the weld and speed is very good, but it is not much suitable for outdoor welding work. And also this machine can be quite costly. The next thing I want to talk about TIG. The welding machine will easily provide you with high quality and strong welding finish. This welding also requires the minimum amount of the flames and sparks. One can easily weld a wide of range material with TIG. This welding machine also offers versatile option when welding with a wide range of materials. And TIG also can only welding a thin material with this welding machine. This is not suitable for the thick materials. And also it has got a high initial cost.